Have you ever wondered if a single plant could transform your health, your meals, and even your winter garden? Meet Swiss chard. This colorful, nutrient-packed green has been quietly thriving in backyards and kitchens around the world, yet most people barely give it a second glance. But here's the kicker. Swiss chard isn't just good for you, it's extraordinary. Swiss chard is more than a leafy green, it's a hidden gem. Scientifically known as beta vulgaris, this cousin of beets and spinach is packed with nutrients your body craves. It's rich in vitamin K for strong bones, magnesium for a healthy heart, and antioxidants that combat inflammation. But here's where it gets interesting. Those bright, colorful stems, they're not just for show. They're loaded with beta-cyanins, the same compounds that give beets their vibrant color. And they don't just fight oxidative stress, they can even help regenerate your skin, thanks to the biotin hidden in every leaf. Swiss chard has been a staple for centuries, starting in the Mediterranean, where it was revered for its versatility. In Turkish kitchens, it's wrapped around rice and spices. In Italy, it's folded into rich pasta dishes. And in the Caribbean, it adds depth to hearty stews. But it's not just its history or flavor that makes it special, it's its resilience. Swiss chard is one of the few crops that can thrive in winter, even indoors. Whether you're growing it in pots by a sunny window or protecting it outdoors with frost covers, Swiss chard adapts to your space and your season. If you're new to growing, don't worry, it's as easy as it gets. Start with a wide pot filled with nutrient-rich soil. Place it in a sunny spot or use grow lights to mimic sunlight. Water consistently to keep the soil moist, and in a matter of weeks, you'll have fresh, vibrant greens at your fingertips. Outdoors, it's just as simple. Plant seeds about a ½ inch deep in raised beds or containers, add mulch to insulate the roots, and cover with a frost blanket if temperatures drop. In 4 to 6 weeks, you'll be harvesting your own superfood. Whether it's on your plate, in your garden, or in your heart, Swiss chard has something to offer. It's time to rethink this humble green, share its story, and bring it back to the table, where it belongs. So how will you grow your Swiss chard this winter? Let us know in the comments, and share this video with someone who needs to hear it.